Hello everyone and welcome to Diptech DX-3 launch event. This year, as you all know, has been quite unique, and since face-to-face meetings are hard to make, we realize such events are the best opportunity for us to meet you. Obviously, we rather meet you all on the exhibition floor, but I can assure you our show today will be as interesting and exciting. This event will introduce you to Diptech and Ferro companies and will expose you to Diptech next machine generation for the architectural market. We will explain what makes this new printing platform the best in its class and elaborate on its unique features. Further, we will provide you with elaborated information about Diptech full solution for the glass processors and demonstrate large variety of glass printing jobs produced by Diptech software tools and available for its customers. On our set today, we will listen to industry leaders and host printing experts who will provide you with elaborated information on the latest digital printing technology. To begin with, I'm pleased to introduce our first guest, Mr. Deyoung, Diptech Co-Managing Director. Welcome, Eric. I'm so happy to have you here. How are you? You changed your appearance a little bit in this unprecedented time.
Yariv, new machine, new look. But really, I'm fine, thanks. Once we realized the enormity of this pandemic, as a team we had to focus on the employee health and to keep the company running, and obviously to support our customers as much as we can in these challenging times. In addition, we realized that in the foreseeing future our customers will rely more and more on digital solutions. We at Diptech, as you know, are a very passionate team. We focus on supporting our customers with an ongoing process of improving our products based on the customer needs and comments, as well as overall market demands.
And what is Diptech market approach for glass processors?
Well, there are a few main points here. Firstly, we support the complete production and marketing process of our customers. At Diptech, we have a full solution, a 360-degree approach. So what we do is we design, develop and manufacture printers, inks and software. We provide 24/7 customer service and a full range of marketing, application and demand development services, including sales training, social media development and more. In addition, we offer a full line solution now. That's a new item. We are collaborating with best-in-class partners. That means from washer, conveyors, printers, clean room and a dryer. And as such, we basically further integrate our 360 solution approach.
I think the full line solution will be greatly appreciated by customers. In 2017, Diptech was acquired by Ferro Corporation. You obviously were involved deeply in that process. So let me ask you that. How did it influence Diptech?
Well, Yariv, to become part of a strong organization like Ferro was very strategic for Diptech. While Ferro representing for us a vast know-how in colors, pigments, frids, but also in markets, having strong relations with the major glass manufacturers worldwide, and obviously the global footprint with offices in over 30 countries. Last but not least, bringing significant synergies in almost every part of the business.
Thank you, Eric. Technology plays indeed a major role in the glass industry. And now, it's time to have a closer look at Diptech brand new DX-3 machine. Effie, what makes the DX-3 machine so special?
Yariv, the DX-3 machine was designed to perform on three main dimensions. The first is productivity. The DX machine is designed to be the fastest machine in the market. Second, the DX-3 is designed to have the best print quality and the best print quality consistency. And third is robustness. The machine is designed to be very robust, with minimal handling, a very good serviceability, and a very good ease of use for the operator.
Can you elaborate on the DX-3 core technology which enables it?
Yariv, as you know, ceramic inks challenge digital printing. The DX-3 was designed to fully support ceramic inks, minimizing the moving parts, optimizing the correct printheads, using the right electronics, the proper software, and all of this to have a very good system enabling a very fast and very high quality printing. There is almost zero loss of nozzles. There is no overuse of ink, almost no maintenance at all, just push the button and print. And all of that giving us a breaking record jetting speed.
Will the core technology contribute to the machine throughput?
Yes, indeed. When we started this project, we targeted the machine to print at double the speed of our current products. When starting printing with it, we found out that we can actually print in 4 times faster. So I have no doubt it's gonna be the fastest machine in the market.
Well, it sounds like a game changer. How did it all come together?
Yariv, it is a game changer indeed. When we started the project, we started analyzing the customer needs. Afterwards, we looked into our machine. We continued to analyze our own system, and we defined which system to address. The heads, the data pass, the ink system, the software, all of them were addressed. The outcome is a winning combination of well-proved subsystems with internally designed other subsystems which solve very specific and unique issues. And all of this is done in a full collaboration with our vendors.
Impressive performance indeed. This kind of throughput can help glass processors increase their capacity and shift larger production batches to their digital printing machine, including mass production jobs such as dots and lines or fully coated spandrel, usually being printed by roller coater or screen printing. Effie, I know you would like to elaborate on the advanced technology that this machine is equipped with, but before we go there, I would like to bring up a very touchy topic most glass processors insist on. I'm talking about the maintenance and service procedures. How did you address it?
Very good question indeed, Yariv. System robustness and serviceability were one of the utmost important design goals of the DX-3 machine. We based it upon 4 guiding principles. The first is reducing everyday maintenance of the machine to almost zero. No ink removal, no wash, no purge. The second is that the system was designed for reliability and longevity. And the third is, if worse comes to worse and there is an issue with the machine, we'd like to identify it as fast as possible and remotely. And the fourth is that we have a very short and easy to repair cycle. We will elaborate on all of this later.
Thank you, Effie. This was very interesting to us. Thank you very much. And now I would like to welcome Ronnie Sagi. Ronnie is Diptech Service Manager and has many years of experience in working with Diptech machines and servicing its customers. Welcome, Ronnie. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Let's assume Effie wasn't here and can't hear us right now. Can you support his description of the new machine?
I've been dealing with our machine for a long time, and this machine, I can say, it is a game changer. From my point of view, the biggest advantages of this machine is how user-friendly it is. It requires so little maintenance, and this is extremely innovative in our market.
Reducing the maintenance procedure is indeed important. Are there any other service aspects you can elaborate on?
Definitely. I'm happy to say that Effie and his team, they were very, thoughtful about the service team, and they have incorporated in the new model a lot of advanced features that increased its serviceability and made it extremely user-friendly for us.
Can you be more specific?
Definitely. The ink system of the DX-3, for example. We have 12 ink cartridges. They're outside of the machine. They're extremely easy to service, and they're very versatile. Meaning that if a customer, for instance, wants to print either facade or dots and lines, he can optimize his performance of the machine by filling up some color tanks with a certain color and some other color tanks with different colors. And by that, he can achieve great speed and performance according to the application that he wants.
So speed is actually optimized all the time based
Yes.
on what the customer really needs.
Exactly, exactly. Another item that personally, from my point of view as a service engineer, What I really like is the new ink system, how we are able to service it. The new system, it's an amazing, easy-to-use design. It comes like a shelf, like a drawer. We come to the machine, we just pull the drawer out, we have it in a specific line. We can take care of whatever we need, if we need to change something, if we need to fix something, and we push it back in, and the machine is working. This is, in my point of view, incredible. It's extremely innovative, and it's just the best I've ever seen in the market in this field so far.
Well, that sounds terrific. Ronnie, many of our customers were concerned about the power failure problems. How will the new DX-3 system handle power cuts?
It is a very good question. As you know, in our system, in general, printing with ceramic inks, it is very important that the ink will be circulated and agitated at all times. Otherwise, it will sediment and might cause difficulties. So for the new machine, again, thanks to the R&D team, we have incorporated a UPS, an uninterrupted power supply, which makes sure that even if there is a power break, our vital components like valves and circulation pumps and so on, they continue to work at all times. On top of that, and this is a very nice feature, this backup system, which is, in my eyes, it's very intelligent. The machine can actually send a text message to a specific individual that was designated before by the company. It will send him a text notifying him about any critical problem the machine has. For example, the power break that we just mentioned before.
So basically, the machine is reporting on malfunctions where the user can immediately respond and act in order to save all kinds of long-term problems.
Exactly, exactly. And this is by itself extremely valuable solution if we have like long, let's say long weekends, some breaks or something that the machine is working. This might save the customers a lot of money on downtime.
I think it's a very important feature. Thank you very much, Ronnie. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Eliza.
We mentioned how speed and productivity proves crucial to Diptech customers. But let's not forget that everything is tightly related to design. Design is a key for glass printing manufacturers, especially those interested in penetrating new markets, addressing new clients, and offering more beautiful products. Graphic design is one dimension in Diptech 360 solution approach. The ink quality and variety of customized colors, for example, plays a major role for glass manufacturers. I will now introduce Eliza Edgery, Application Team Manager. Hi, Eliza. How are you?
Very good. Thank you, Yariv.
If I'm not mistaken, you've been here in Diptech for a long time.
Yes, I joined Diptech 15 years ago. I was one of the team members at the project that we started back then.
So you had the privilege to watch how glass printing evolves over the years.
Well, when Diptech started its operation, we started with a single color black. Over the years, the market demanded the color, so we evolved into the color, and today our printer works with 6 color and multiple color application. We print multiple graphic, they can print stones and different natural surfaces. So it became a more colorful world. Today I manage a team, a global team of glass designer and print specialists that together we support our customer around the world.
Diptech have a very close relationship with its customers. Can you elaborate on how significant is our team to our customers?
First of all, at Diptech, we offer our customer a full solution, full graphic solution. The graphic solution includes the image processing, software, plugin to automate the entire workflow. We visit our customer in their plants to teach them and train them on the workflow and how to produce printing on glass. Part of our work is also to learn from them, so we learn a lot from them during these visits, and that helps us to develop our next generation tools and machines.
Do design and business go together?
Definitely goes together. We understood that the market has a demand for high quality and high resolution images and designs, so we developed extensive design database which is dedicated for glass and glass appearance. The database is exclusively for Diptech customers. They can approach it through the eShop, our digital platform. They have access to download and view all these files. Our customer can share it with their customers, and this is a great business tool and business concept that we build around it.
Thank you, Eliza. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Yariv.
Welcome back, Effie. Diving back into the technology, I would like to elaborate a little bit more about printing quality consistency. What more can you tell us about it? How critical it is for our customers?
You know, Yariv, our customers would like to print in the best quality. They do it for their own customers.
Repeatability, I mean.
Yes, they want to print good quality today. They have to do it within the next week, And within a year, they're buying the machine for a long time. They have to have the same quality and the same consistency for the machine for a very long time. Now, in order to do that, we took a very scientific approach. We added a microscope with a camera and internally developed image processing package. We are optimizing the machine alignment to a level of 10 microns. This is about a tenth of a hair shaft. That's small.
Effie, machine alignment, you mean the calibration alignment?
The calibration alignments, we have 24 heads within the machine, and they all have to work together like players in an orchestra. So in order to do that, they should be aligned to a very precise level. Now, that's not the only thing we are doing. We have a failure analysis capability. It enables us to measure and to see problems of the machine from our headquarters in Kfar Saba. And beside that, this is an ongoing improving tool. We put the hardware in the machine, the microscope, but the software is going to be improved every day. So eventually, this will give a very big envelope of capabilities for the user. And that's not the only thing we do. We're going to measure directly the prints of the user to give him the capability to have an inspection tool for him, having the best printing quality.
So let me just summarize what you just said, and I think it's very important. First, the camera will scan the print head's performance and will actually feedback to the operator which nozzles is missing, right? Or whether one of them is jetting awkwardly or spraying. And what you said about the future capabilities of this machine, we'll be able to inspect the printing quality and basically inform the customer if the job is done well or might have some defects.
Yes, you're right, but it's beyond that. Some of the measures will be used to re-feed the computer to make automatic correction for that. So it's not the operator that will use this information. It's the machine itself that identifies a problem, use this identification, correct for that, and have again the best printing quality.
Indeed, very impressive feature. I think it's very important to our customers. I wish we had it 10 years ago.
I wish as well. Anyway, this is not the only thing we have in the machine. We added also an additional optical system. We're implementing in a DX-3 machine a system which can scan the glass shape and crop the image. So by doing that, we have a big advantage. There is no more ink deposition out of the glass boundaries. And even if the glass is not perfectly cut, it will be perfectly printed.
That's right. That means that we are not printing on the glass edge anymore.
Not anymore.
Or outside of the glass, generating spray or any other problems like that. Well, thank you very much, Effie. This is very interesting review. Now, I would like to greet Dr. Dieter Binder, Vice President of Ferro Europe, to tell us more about Ferro Company.
Thank you very much, Yariv. It is a pleasure for me to support this event for one of our most important businesses and development areas. As you probably know, Ferro has a great history and has been founded more than 100 years ago in USA, and since then Cleveland, Ohio is our global headquarters. Today, more than 5,000 Ferro employees are working in 28 countries all over the world. Since many years, and particularly today, Ferro is a global leader in color solutions and in functional coatings for many industries as building and renovation, automotive, dinnerware, architectural glass and appliance, household finishes and electronics. You find many Ferro products in daily used devices. In functional coatings, many of our colors and coatings are traditionally applied by spraying, screen printing and roller printing. However, there is since some years a mega trend towards digital printing on many materials, including glass. Digital printing allows all kinds of designs, even very innovative ones in small and big numbers, with superior technique, superior yield and more environmentally friendly. Therefore, Ferro decided in 2017 to partner and acquire Diptech, who is a leader in digital glass printers, as well as in specialty inks for those applications. The combination of Diptech's innovative startup know-how with the worldwide capabilities of Ferro in research and development, applied technologies, and global sales and marketing were already in the last 3 years highly synergistic and a big success story. This year, we need to respect a number of precautions and restrictions to cope with highest health and safety standards during Corona times. But you can hear and see shortly that we are steadily continuing our path to develop and offer you those innovations and solutions which are meeting and exceeding the expectations of your customers. This is what we are committed to and what we will show you during this event.
The DX-3 machine is indeed an important milestone for Diptech. We want to ask Ferro business leaders around the world what will be the impact of the new machine on their business. Starting from Ferro business manager in China, Miss Maggie Ma. Hello Maggie, and thank you very much for joining. How will the DX-3 machine affect your country?
Digital is growing fast. Many applications could now be converted to digital printing and produced with Diptech machines. With this new model, the factory will be more productive. The production cycles would be shorter and their production will be more profitable.
Thank you very much, Maggie, and all the best to you and your team. Let's go to Ferro's Latin America country manager, Miss Ariana Ventura.
With the new DX-3, there is no frontiers to designers' creativity. Glass processors can print in dazzling projects and attract new clients.
Thank you, Ariana, and thank you all for joining our session. So, Eric, in conclusion, how would you sum up what we have discussed here today?
Well, we are proud to announce the release of the DX-3 addressing the increasing demands of our customers. It is a clear message to the market and to Diptech customers that Diptech is constantly working to deliver new and innovative technology tailored exactly to their needs. The DX robustness, best-in-class productivity, serviceability, and the ease of use will definitely set a new standard in the market.
Thank you, Eric, and thank you all for watching this show. I hope you find today's events interesting, educating, and most important, relevant to your business. If you have any questions about the show, you are welcome to use this chat page on the Zoom session, or alternatively, contact us through Diptech website. We look forward to meeting you soon, but this time face to face.